as atoms float around and the universe gets older. Particles to dust, turn to rocks, turn to boulders. All of this is evidence the theory here is relevant. The forming of material, the dating of the elements. Rocks form stars from planetary accretion. Chondrites come together, finish solar completion. 4.5 gigayears are still pretty new, cause after chondrite meteorites, we move on to the moon.
Theia hits Earth and puts a satellite in orbit. The Earth begins to flourish, but the moon continues dormant. We know this because the levels from the oxygen concentrate. 18:0 and 17:0 ratios perpetrate. The concept that the Earth and moon used to be one until it smashed and both began to orbit around the sun. By this point, we're at 4.4 billion years. Now the first planetary rocks begin to appear.
This whole time the material's been conjured and molten. When new stuff starts to surface like we brought in John Bolton. Liquids finish cooling, water starts cooling. Earth takes shape after years and years of grueling work. As it takes in dust bits at a time. Gas makes the atmosphere turn it sublime. We know this because of radiometric dating. Once again, the lack of rocks means time shows pulling the end. None of this means meteorites weren't a thing. Rocks small and large still continue to ding as to the sides of planets, stars, and moons alike. But this too would change when rocks cease to strike around 3.4 billion years ago. Meteorite numbers plunge from high to low. Known because the moon preserves collision locations so high in massive craters means an early formation. Accretion in a solar system happened at once. Next, moons and planets come up to the forefront. Planetary cooling was the next to occur, then heavy bombardment from what we can infer. Without any of this, a lot of stuff would have changed. Earth may have been lifeless, cold and strange, but now we know what happened, so all we can do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the view.